Hi everybody, Samantha here from the Alice Ferguson Foundation, coming at you from the Piscataway Creek Trail. This trail is about a 15-minute walk from my house. I thought I'd come out here today and share with you my favorite signs of spring. So I don't know about everybody else, but during the winter I feel the need to hibernate, stay inside and stay warm and cozy. So when spring comes along, I feel rejuvenated and excited to get back outside and just be outside 24/7 if I can. But my favorite sign of spring is all the color that's coming back into the trees. Everything's kind of waking up with me. So I don't know if you can see little purple buds on this tree, the green up there. And it's crazy to think that in just a few months you won't be able to see through this bunch of trees. But it is my favorite sign of spring. So just over here is Piscataway Creek. If you look out yonder, you can see the Potomac River. And, where's my finger? Boop, boop. Right there is Mount Vernon. So that means the Alice Ferguson Foundation is just over here. I don't know if everyone watched Emily's video on wildflowers, but I definitely learned something new. And now, every time I see purple dead metal, I have a new appreciation for them, especially since they help our pollinators. I saw my first osprey today. He had a fish, he was trying to eat it in peace, and a group of crows was hanging around him too, trying to get his fish. Felt bad for the poor guy. Or gal, couldn't really tell. But ended up flying away, so hopefully he's eating his breakfast in peace. I just thought I'd come out here and share with you this beautiful piece of nature. And the wonders that spring has to offer. I'd love to hear everyone's favorite signs of spring. So feel free to message us, comment below on the post, and share your thoughts on your favorite signs of spring.